Welcome to Zoomer's RV. Today we just got in a very nice 2006 Forest River Suneseeker. This is the LTD 3100 model. We sold this unit a few years ago to a customer of ours. We serviced it for him. Very nice unit. It's on a Ford E-450 chassis, one slide with slide awning, has nearly new tires, 4,000 watt generator, rooftop AC unit. All the decals are in nice shape. Lots of basement storage. Nice smooth sides, no delamination. Has a tow package. Rear ladder. Has a new awning canvas on this side. Again, almost brand new tires. Very nice unit. We'll walk inside. As soon as you walk in on the right, it has a nice big easy chair, beautiful overhead cabinets, flat screen TV, just been replaced. Front captain chairs are leather and in great shape. It has 18,623 miles, CD player. Very nice clean unit. Super slide on the right. Nice overhead cabinets with raised panel wood, solid wood doors. Couch makes into a bed. Dinette booth makes into a bed as well. Nice kitchen on the left. L-shaped countertop. Has a double sink. The generator only has 222 hours. 3-burner stove and oven. Magic Chef microwave. Dometic refrigerator and freezer. Has a split bathroom, glass shower here on the left with skylight. Bathrooms on the right. Foot flush stool, cabinet sink, dressing mirror and medicine cabinets. Walk around queen size bed in the back. Beautiful overhead cabinets. All raised panel doors. Closet over there in the corner with 2 drawers. Central air and heat. AC blows through the ceiling. The heat blows around the floor. Has all vinyl flooring through the whole unit. There's a shot from the front to the back. Very clean. No smoke, no smoke odor, no pet odor, no mildew, mold, nothing like that. Super clean. Again, we knew the customer that had it. Very clean people. Any questions, please call. Thanks for listening.